The earliest period of cultural history for Japan was during the Jomon era, from about 10,000 to 300 BCE. The first human populations reaching Japan were an amalgam of different ethnicities, most being hunter-gatherers. Previous to Shinto gaining a formal name and eventually branching into segments such as folk, shrine, and state Shinto, this religious expression inherited some of the animistic and shamanistic practices derived from the confluence of Ainu and Mongol cultures. Although generally described as indigenous to Japan, Shinto is only partly so. Waves of migrants, some matrilineal, others patrilineal, some were horizontal while others were more vertical in their religious orientations. The very name Shinto was only coined to distinguish this tradition from religions like Buddhism and Taoism that began entering Japan in the 6th century CE. Japan was initially populated by waves of different migrants from different regions of Asia. Clear Shinto, animistic, and shamanistic practices became historically recognizable during the late Jomon period, around 300 BCE. The majority of present-day Japanese are Mongolian in origin, with a small remnant that are descendants of the Ainu, the first inhabitants of the Japanese islands.